Welcome to Beautyistic, where skincare gets personal. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give your skin the hydration boost it deserves. ClarityRx Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Face Mask. If you've been struggling with dry, dehydrated skin and fine lines, this might be the answer you've been searching for. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our honest reviews. ClarityRx Daily Dose of Water is an overnight face mask that leverages the power of hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate your skin while you sleep. This product is plant-based, medical grade, and cruelty-free, perfect for anyone looking for a clean, effective skincare solution. The formulation is alcohol-free, dye-free, paraben-free, and artificial color-free, ensuring a gentle approach to skincare. When I first tried this mask, I was immediately impressed by its texture. The cream is smooth and luxurious, but not too thick. It's got just the right consistency to apply evenly and comfortably without feeling too heavy. It absorbs quickly into the skin, and unlike some masks, it doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. It feels more like a moisturizer, which is a huge plus if you don't want to wake up with a greasy face. Using this mask was a breeze. I applied a generous layer before bed after my usual cleansing and toning routine. I've used it for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say, my skin feels noticeably softer in the morning. Fine lines around my eyes and mouth have started to look less pronounced, and my complexion is plumper and more radiant. It's definitely a great option for those with dry skin or anyone who needs that extra boost of hydration during the colder months. In terms of pros, I absolutely love how hydrating this mask is. It's like a drink of water for your skin. Plus, the fact that it's unscented means it's suitable for sensitive skin types. Another major plus is that it supports your skin barrier, which is essential for overall skin health. The ingredients are simple yet effective, and the medical-grade label adds an extra layer of credibility. However, there are a couple of things to note. For those who prefer a more heavy-duty mask that you can peel off or wash off after a few minutes, this one might not be for you. It's designed to be left on overnight, so if you're looking for a quick fix, this isn't it. Also, while the formulation is great for dry skin, those with oily or acne-prone skin might want to use it more sparingly. Now let's talk value. At its price point, ClarityRx Daily Dose of Water is on the higher end, but considering the high-quality plant-based ingredients and the fact that it's a medical-grade product, I'd say it's worth the investment, especially if you're someone who struggles with hydration and skin barrier issues. A little goes a long way, so the jar should last quite a while. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are plenty of good alternatives out there. Some of the more affordable hydrating masks, like CeraVe Hydrating Facial Mask or Neutrogena Hydro Boost, are excellent options, though they don't have the same medical-grade appeal. As for build quality, the packaging is sleek and functional. It's a sturdy jar that feels luxurious, but I would have liked a spatula for hygienic application. It's a small detail, but for the price, I expected a bit more attention to packaging. Customer service with ClarityRx has been top-notch. I reached out to their support team to inquire about a few ingredients, and they were quick to respond with thorough answers. The brand's reputation for customer service is solid, so you can trust that if you have any issues, they'll be there to help. To wrap it up, the ClarityRx Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Overnight Face Mask does live up to its claims. It's a fantastic option for anyone who needs intense hydration, and it's especially beneficial for those with dry skin or a compromised skin barrier. If you're looking for a product to help plump fine lines and soften your skin, this is definitely worth trying. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And if you're ready to try it for yourself, you can find the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.